So we've got here an actual sign, right, with its length and width. Okay, and Leo here wants to make a badge, obviously much smaller, but it's got to be similar to the sign. Okay, so that would really important. So the proportions have got to be the same. Okay, now what we can do, we can look at the original here. Okay, and find a scale factor. Okay, in terms of how much bigger the length is compared to the width. So I can do scale factor of 6.2, for instance, divide by 4. Okay, so if I do that on my calculator, I get out, well, on my calculator, when I put that in there, it comes out as a fraction, 31/20. I'll keep it as a fraction, but as a decimal, 1.55. You know, you could write it like that, actually, because it comes out as a nice decimal. All right, so what that's saying is that the length is 1.55 times the width, if that makes sense. If you want, you can write that statement down. The length, okay, is equal to 1.55 times the width, or what do they call it, the height, don't they, in this particular case here. So if they give me the height of the badge, okay, we can actually work out the length then. Okay, because it's got to have the same proportions. So the length of this badge has also got to be 1.55 times the width. Okay, so if I do that, I get out 3.72. Okay, so I know now the length, and then they want the area. Just to get the area, remember, for a rectangle, it's just length times width. So 3.72 times 2.4. And I get out of my calculator 8.9, okay, to one decimal place, centimeters squared.